Thanks for stopping by and watching another video with the Georgia Pinchis. This week, we take a short look at our Daytona Beach vacation. While we were there, we did lots of fun stuff and spent a lot of time at the beach. We hope you enjoy visiting Daytona Beach with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you're informed each time we post a new video. Daytona Beach is also home of the Daytona International Speedway, where the Daytona 500 is held each year. Well, the Speedway is famous. Some claim it's more famous for its beaches. So we decided to see what all the fuss is about. Along the way, we had to make a stop at one of our favorite places, Buc-ee's. And although one of the Georgia Pinchis could not go with us this time, we still had a blast. As I mentioned before, we did spend a ton of time at the beach, and we've made a lot of videos. So you want to subscribe to our channel and check those out. We have a complete video of a beautiful sunrise at Daytona Beach. It was probably the most peaceful moment of the whole trip, and the most beautiful. There was just so much we did on this vacation. We saw a bird steal a Cheeto one time. We built a sandcastle fortress, and unfortunately, we got a little bit too much sun. We also went and saw the Rolling Stones in concert, and Teresa and Samantha took a ride on the slingshot at Daytona Screamers Park. We have a whole video about that one too. We did take a day out of our vacation and head over to Disney World. We made a video about that as well. Along the way, we ate a ton of delicious food and probably gained a few pounds, unfortunately, but it was delicious. All in all, it was great, relaxing and spending time on the beach. We made memories that will last a lifetime. We hope you enjoy our trip. Here we are, Daytona Beach.
What is it?
In the ocean. So now we've yeah, we peed in the Atlantic and the Pacific. We just have the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean and the Bay of Bengal.